Hello, this is Mind to Talk, and this is the Let Your Mind Slow Down, Gentle Sleep for Mental Noise session. Now, let us begin. If your mind feels noisy tonight, but not urgent, not anxious, just busy, this is for you. Nothing is wrong with you. Your mind doesn't need fixing. It just hasn't slowed yet. Tonight isn't about stopping thoughts. It's about letting them lose momentum. You don't need to do anything. Just listening is enough. You can let your mind begin to slow down, allowing the background noise to fade. Notice how your thoughts move. Notice what you're saying, just how they move. Some feel fast, some drift slowly, some barely register. You don't need to follow them. Imagine lowering the volume on background noise in a room. Nothing disappears, it simply becomes quieter. Notice your breathing. No need to change it. Just allow the exhale to soften slightly longer. Each breath out reduces mental movement. Thoughts often keep moving because they haven't been told they can stop. Tonight you can give them permission. You don't need to finish thinking. You don't need to complete any mental loops. They can pause mid-sentence. They can trail off. Repeat gently or just listen. My mind doesn't need to stay active. I can let thoughts slow naturally. There's no rush tonight. Mental noise begins to thin when it's no longer needed. As the body relaxes, the mind follows its rhythm. Thoughts become fewer and further apart. Silence isn't required. Stillness is enough. Imagine space growing between each thought. More space, less effort, less pull. Repeat softly. It's okay to slow down. My mind can move at rest speed. I don't need to stay alert. The mind settles, but it no longer needs to perform. Your breathing becomes slower, quieter, automatic. Thoughts drift without direction. You don't need to stay aware. If you stop listening, that's okay. If sleep arrives, that's okay too. Rest is already happening. Nothing to think through, nothing to decide, nothing to finish. Sleep comes naturally as the mind slows on its own. Very slow pacing and long silence. Slow, quiet, ease, sleep. You can remain here as long as you need. There's nowhere else to go, nothing else to do. Whether you sleep soon or you drift gently for a while, your mind is allowed to slow now. Sleep no longer needs to quiet. It's okay to slow, quiet. My mind can slow quiet. Ease, sleep. I don't need quiet. Stay alert. Sleep. The mind settle. Quiet is no longer needs to perform. Quiet. It's okay to slow down, quiet, mind, sleep, move slow at quiet speeds. I don't slow to quiet, alert, sleep, mind settles, quiet, ease, no longer needs to perform, quiet, okay to slow down, quiet, mind can move at rest, quiet, ease. I don't need to stay quiet, alert, ease, sleep, mind settles when quiet, no longer needs to perform, quiet, okay to sleep, slow down, quiet, mind can sleep at rest, quiet, eyes don't need to stay quiet, ease, mind settles when quiet, no longer needs sleep to perform, slow, quiet, okay, ease, slow down, slow, mind, quiet, can sleep at rest, speak quiet, I don't sleep to stay alert, ease, mind settles slow and quiet, ease to sleep, perform, slow, it's quiet to slow sleep down, slow, quiet can ease at rest, slow speed, quiet, don't need sleep to stay alert, quiet, ease settles when slow, quiet needs to perform. It's okay quiet to ease down, mind quiet, move as rest, slow, quiet, don't ease to sleep, stay alert, quiet, mind settle, sleep when it's slow, no longer quiet, to perform, sleep, it's slow, okay, quiet, slow down, sleep, mind can quiet, sleep. It's okay to quiet slow ease sleep. My mind can quiet at rest sleep. Speed slow. I don't need to stay alert. Slow. The quiet settles when sleep no longer needs quiet performs. It's okay to quiet down. Ease my mind can move quiet at rest sleep. I don't quiet to stay alert. Slow my quiet settles ease sleep no longer needs quiet ease sleep. Okay to slow quiet down. Ease my sleep. Mind can move quiet rest sleep. I don't need quiet stay alert. Sleep. The mind quiet when ease sleep no longer needs to quiet. It's okay to slow quiet. Ease mind can slow at quiet rest ease sleep. I don't need quiet stay alert. Sleep. The mind settle quiet. Ease no longer needs to perform. Quiet. It's okay to slow down. Quiet. My mind can move at quiet speed. I don't need to quiet alert. Sleep. Mind settles quiet. It no longer needs to perform. Quiet. It's okay to slow down. Quiet. Mind can move at rest. Quiet. I don't need to stay alert. Ease sleep. Mind settle when quiet no longer needs to perform. Quiet. Okay to